Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to make TikTok private account. So make sure you have TikTok installed on your device and open up TikTok. Okay, now here you can see I'm on TikTok. Tap on your profile icon and here you can see we are on our profile. So now tap on that three line you can see on the top right side of your screen. Alright, tap on that and here you can see privacy option, so you have to tap on that. Okay, now here you can see private account. Here is an option like discoverability, which is if you turn this on, then your account will be private. Okay, so that's how you can create or make a TikTok account private account. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.